Have you ever had a dream so vivid and captivating that it felt like an adventure, only to have it slip away moments after waking up? This experience isn't just a curious quirk of memory. It might actually reveal something intriguing about how our brains work. The tendency to forget dreams quickly may seem frustrating, but understanding why it happens could offer surprising insights into how our minds operate and how we process experiences, emotions, and even creativity. While dreaming is a universal experience, the details often vanish as soon as we open our eyes. This forgetfulness isn't just a simple case of a fading memory. It involves complex processes in the brain that scientists are still trying to fully understand. 1. The science of dreams and forgetfulness. Our sleep consists of multiple stages, each playing a vital role in maintaining our health and well-being. The most vivid dreams occur during REM sleep, a phase when the brain is highly active, much like it is during waking hours. However, during REM, the usual balance in brain activity shifts. The regions involved in logical reasoning and planning take a back seat, while those responsible for creativity and emotional processing become more dominant. This shift is why our dreams often feel imaginative, bizarre, or surreal. A key reason why we struggle to remember these dreams lies in the changes our brain undergoes as we wake up. Transitioning from REM sleep to wakefulness involves a significant shift in brain chemistry. Neurotransmitters like acetylcholine and norepinephrine, which play crucial roles in memory formation, undergo fluctuations that disrupt the consolidation of dream content. This chemical shift makes it challenging for our brain to transfer dream memories into long-term storage, causing them to fade rapidly upon waking. Interestingly, some researchers propose that this forgetfulness is not a mere accident, but an adaptive feature we've developed. Not retaining every dream detail helps maintain a clear distinction between dreams and reality. If every intense or surreal dream felt as real as a waking memory, it could lead to confusion or blur the boundaries between imagination and actual experiences. This ability to forget helps protect our mental clarity, ensuring we can distinguish between our inner dream world and the real world. Additionally, there's a psychological theory suggesting that forgetting dreams serves an emotional regulatory function. Dreams often bring up strong emotions, ranging from joy to fear to sadness. If we were to remember every detail of these emotional experiences, it might overwhelm us or disrupt our mood as we start our day. By letting go of these memories, our brain provides a kind of emotional reset, helping us maintain a stable and balanced emotional state upon waking. Therefore, dream forgetfulness isn't simply about losing memories. It's a complex interplay of biological and psychological processes designed to enhance our mental and emotional functioning. This sophisticated system ensures that our waking life is not disrupted by the emotional or fantastical elements of our dreams. As we delve further, we will explore more about how this intricate process benefits us and why forgetting dreams might be more advantageous than we realize. 2. Theories behind dream amnesia. Dream amnesia, or the tendency to forget our dreams, has intrigued scientists and psychologists for years. There are several compelling theories that suggest this forgetfulness might actually benefit us in multiple ways. One popular theory is the reality firewall concept. Imagine your brain as a computer with built-in software designed to differentiate between real experiences and imagined ones. During REM sleep, our minds generate vivid, often surreal scenarios, like flying unaided or encountering people from different parts of our lives. Remembering these in full detail could blur the lines between reality and imagination, potentially confusing our grasp on what's real. This firewall is thought to be a protective mechanism, ensuring that our waking perception of reality remains sharp and unclouded by fantastical dreams. Research indicates that people who struggle to distinguish dreams from reality are more prone to psychological issues, underscoring the importance of this mental separation. Another significant idea focuses on emotional regulation. Dreams frequently evoke strong emotions, ranging from joy to fear or sadness. If we retained every emotional nuance of our dreams, it could interfere with our ability to maintain emotional stability during waking hours. Forgetting these dreams may serve as a kind of emotional reset, allowing us to wake up without the burden of lingering feelings. Studies have shown that people who recall their dreams more vividly may experience higher emotional sensitivity, suggesting that forgetting could help maintain emotional equilibrium and reduce unnecessary stress. In addition to emotional and psychological benefits, there's a theory that dreams function as a subconscious processing station. While we sleep, our brains sift through daily experiences, sorting essential memories from trivial ones, and even working through unresolved issues. Once this sorting process is complete, the specific narrative of the dream becomes irrelevant and fades away. This approach is akin to organizing a cluttered desk at the end of a workday, retaining what's necessary and discarding the rest, thus keeping our minds organized and ready for new tasks. Another intriguing perspective is what some researchers refer to as the creativity crucible. Here, the partial recall of dreams might actually foster creative thinking. By waking up with only fragments of a dream, our brains attempt to fill in the gaps, which can lead to new ideas and innovative problem solving. Many creative minds, from artists to inventors, have attributed their breakthroughs to fragmented dream memories, suggesting that forgetting parts of our dreams might actually enhance our ability to think outside the box. Furthermore, the concept of dream amnesia as a form of mental hygiene is also worth considering. Just as our bodies require regular maintenance to stay healthy, our minds might need to discard unnecessary dream details to maintain mental clarity. This process could prevent a buildup of irrelevant or confusing information, which might otherwise cloud our cognitive functions. These theories demonstrate that dream amnesia isn't just a random quirk of the mind, but likely serves multiple crucial purposes for our cognitive and emotional well-being. Whether it's safeguarding our sense of reality, helping us manage emotions, sparking creativity, or maintaining mental order, forgetting dreams seems to play a valuable role in our overall mental health. 3. Implications of dream forgetting in everyday life. Dream forgetting isn't just a quirky feature of our minds. It has meaningful implications for how we navigate daily life. One lesser discussed aspect is how this phenomenon might help with adaptability and resilience in our waking hours. By not retaining every dream detail, our brains may be freeing up cognitive space to better handle unexpected challenges and changes in our environment. This adaptability is crucial for learning new skills, solving problems creatively, and responding flexibly to life's unpredictabilities. Another implication of dream forgetting lies in its potential impact on our decision-making processes. Dreams often present us with fantastical or unrealistic scenarios that don't adhere to the rules of our waking world. If we were to remember these dreams vividly, we might inadvertently incorporate illogical or fantastical thinking into our real-life decisions. By forgetting dreams, our minds ensure that our decision-making remains grounded in reality, enhancing our ability to make rational, practical choices. Dream forgetting might also play a role in how we maintain a sense of identity and continuity in our lives. Dreams often bring out different facets of our personality or reveal thoughts and feelings we may not express while awake. If we retained every dream, the constant influx of varied and sometimes contradictory experiences could challenge our sense of a consistent self. Forgetting these dreams may help us maintain a stable identity, allowing us to function with a clear, coherent sense of who we are. There's also the concept of cognitive pruning, where the brain selectively forgets information that isn't immediately useful. In this way, dream forgetting could be seen as part of a larger strategy to optimize cognitive function, focusing on retaining information and skills that are most relevant to our current life stage and needs. This selective forgetting ensures that our mental resources are not wasted on non-essential or distracting content. Lastly, dream forgetting may indirectly support our social and communicative skills. Dreams often involve strange or taboo scenarios that wouldn't be appropriate to share or discuss openly. By naturally forgetting these dreams, we avoid the awkwardness or discomfort that could arise from recalling or interpreting them with others. This contributes to smoother social interactions and helps us maintain appropriate social boundaries. Dream forgetting plays a more nuanced role in our daily lives than we might realize. It supports mental flexibility, rational decision-making, identity coherence, cognitive optimization, and healthy social interactions, all of which are essential for functioning effectively in a complex, ever-changing world. 4. How to improve dream recall. Now that we've explored why we often forget our dreams, let's focus on how you can start remembering them more clearly. With some simple practices, you can enhance your ability to recall dreams and tap into the creativity and insights they offer. One of the best ways to improve dream recall is to start a dream journal. Keep a notebook and pen by your bed, or use a dream journal app on your phone. As soon as you wake up, write down whatever you remember from your dreams, even if it's just a few fragments or feelings. It's important to do this right away, as even a few minutes can cause details to fade. This habit reinforces your brain's ability to remember dreams by creating stronger neural connections and can help you notice patterns or recurring themes over time. Good sleep hygiene is also key. Try to stick to a consistent sleep schedule, going to bed and waking up at the same time each day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to enter the deeper stages of sleep where dreaming occurs. Creating a restful environment in your bedroom, free of noise and excessive light, can also improve your sleep quality, which in turn can help with dream recall. The better your sleep, the clearer your dreams will be. Another helpful tip is to limit distractions before bed. The blue light from screens like phones, tablets, and TVs can interfere with your brain's natural sleep cycle. Instead of looking at screens, try calming activities like reading, meditating, or taking a warm bath. These practices help your brain wind down and prepare for sleep, making it easier to enter and stay in the REM stage where most dreaming happens. Talking about your dreams with others can also enhance your memory of them. When you wake up, share your dreams with a friend, family member, or even just speak them out loud to yourself. This social reinforcement can help cement the memory in your mind and might even help you uncover details you hadn't consciously noticed. Discussing dreams can bring hidden insights to the surface, giving you a deeper understanding of your thoughts and feelings. You might also find it helpful to set an intention before bed. Simply telling yourself, "I want to remember my dreams tonight," can increase your chances of recalling them. This mental preparation makes your subconscious more alert to dream recall, almost like setting a gentle alarm for your memory. Lastly, consider the role of your dreams in your waking life. Not every dream needs to be remembered, but those that do come to mind can offer a window into your subconscious thoughts and concerns. Use this awareness to reflect on your personal growth, relationships, or even problem-solving in your daily life. By valuing the insights your dreams provide, you make it easier to remember and learn from them. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you can improve your dream recall and start to unlock the deeper meanings and creative potential hidden in your dreams. Your dreams are more than just random thoughts. They can be a powerful tool for understanding yourself and unlocking your creativity. By making a few simple changes to your routine, you can start to remember your dreams more vividly and gain insights that might surprise you. So, give these tips a try and see where your dreams can take you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who might be interested. Thank you for watching.